Hi everybody, welcome to Jill for Today. As you know, I'm on a short hiatus, so I'm bringing out some of my oldies but goodies recipes. This one is from 2017 and it is a recipe for pumpkin hummus. It's a sweeter hummus, and then I make some fabulous chips to go along with it. So it's a good recipe and it's a great video. So I hope you'll stay tuned. Take care now. Bye-bye.
We're live.
Hey everybody, it's Jill for Today, and I'm in the kitchen. The director is here. He's behind the camera, and he's actually directing today.
That's right.
Yeah. Well, it's been a while. I'm kind of rusty, aren't you? Actually, a little bit.
I'm kind of tired.
All right, we are making a pumpkin hummus. This is a sweet version. I made a savory one a few weeks back, and I promised I would do the sweet one. And it's a sweet pumpkin hummus that is served with tortilla chips that have got the cinnamon sugar thing happening. You know? Yeah. Okay, so director, come on down here. I will tell what's the ingredients. It's pretty basic. Chickpeas, canned pumpkin pie spice, maple syrup, and a little bit. So we're just going to go ahead and start adding this to my food processor. I would suggest not trying to do this like in a Vitamix. I don't think it would work really. It would all be glomped down at the bottom of your blades, and you don't want that. What's so funny about these garbanzo beans is the recipe calls for you to skin them, and let me pull one out here. And what that means is, when you have a, what's this called? Again, I'm so chickpea. There's that little skin on there, and it says for you to skin them. And I started to do that, and I said, well, for goodness sake, I'll be here 2 weeks trying to skin 1 cup of garbanzo beans. So I did some that were really obvious, and the others I just said, oh shoot, right? Okay, so here comes the maple syrup. This is pure maple syrup, not any of that log cabin stuff. And I've got pumpkin pie spice, which I made my own because I had all of the spices that you need, right? And I said, I can make my own. All right, and then a little bit of avocado oil. Actually called for coconut oil, and I didn't have it. And I don't even know why I'm putting avocado oil in here. But the recipe called for a little bit of oil, so I'm going for it. Okay, on goes the lid. See how easy that was? I think the little taco chips are going to take more than that. Okay, so we're going to start grinding this up, and then the director, I think, probably going to cut the camera off, and we'll come back when it's all pureed. And it's going to be pureed just like a hummus, smooth and creamy. Okay, here we go. All right. Well, it took a while, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And actually, that's what the instructions said, that it would take a while. And it's what the problem was is getting those garbanzo beans really creamy. And I guess when you're making hummus, with garbanzo beans like you normally do, there must be something that's a little different when you have that tahini in there, which you didn't have to help cream it. So, but we have a beautiful, very creamy dip here. And I'm going to go ahead and get it in the fridge and let it chill up nice, and then in the meantime we will make those tortilla chips that go in there, and I will go ahead and get that all prepped up, and we will show you how it's done. We'll be back. Yay. Okay, so the dip is in the chiller, right? It's in the fridge. Now I'm going to make these chips that go along with it, and again, they're a sweet thing, so can't wait. So I've got here, it called for whole wheat tortillas. What I have here are the Trader Joe corn and whole wheat flour. So I think they'll be good. They're kind of, earthy. And so I have 3 of them here. Get them out, cut them in. There we go. And I'm going to cut them into 8 pieces. Is that right? 2, 4? Yeah? That's not right, is it? My numbers are off, aren't they?
I don't know.
Well, it's supposed to be... Oh, that's right, 8. Yeah. That's correct. I have my oven heating at 350, and these will go into the oven after I get them prepared for about 8 minutes, and then I'll pull them out turn them over and give them another 7 minutes or so. And it looks like I may have more than one tray's worth here. We'll see how that goes.
We can hope.
I bet these will be good just on their own. Anal. Okay, so I've got
Thank
a little
you.
bit of melted earth balance here. Earth balance, is that right? Earth balance?
Yes.
Earth balance, okay. I always get the names wrong. And I'm just a little tiny bit of that I've melted is going on these. And I know it's indulgent, but we're getting into the holidays, right? And you want some little happy appetizers that you can serve your guests or your family or yourself. So we're getting a little bit of an early start here, so you all have some recipes to have fun with. I think I've got them all. Okay, and then it calls for a sprinkling of cinnamon and sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and give these a sprinkle of cinnamon, like so. And I suppose you could get as dramatic as you want with all the cinnamon or sugar you like. And then I just took some sugar and granulated sugar and put it in like a little shaker bottle here. So again, I'm just going to go over these and get them a nice little coating. And then I'm getting ready to put these in the oven. As I said, 350, and they are going to cook for about 7 or 8 minutes. Take them out. You know, they have to get like a little golden brown thing happening. Get them out, turn them over, do the whole thing again. And once these are cooked, I won't bring you back for the flip top. You know, we just flip them, redo them. And then we're going to try these, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Oh, we are. Okay, so we'll be back as soon as we've got this all together. We're back. And it's time to taste. And we're very excited. Now, the director's going to taste, but he's on the other side of the camera. And quite honestly, he thinks he looks not so good.
The director's been up since 2
I
a.m.
think he's
so.
adorable, but, you know. Okay, so you do want to try it, though?
Oh, I will,
Oh, absolutely.
yes.
Okay, so here we go. Now, see, aren't these beautiful? Oh, and here's my pretty little fall plate. See there, pumpkin. These turned out so lovely. So we're going to give you a little smear here.
Your smear.
A smear, and I will do the same. Does that
Thank
look,
you.
it really does look pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks, actually the hummus itself looks a lot like pumpkin pie.
It does, absolutely. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get a little smear here.
Oh,
Oh, God,
oh.
you're in my face.
Oh.
Oh, no,
No.
what did you do?
Well, you can cut that out.
All right, take 2. So here it is. Are you ready?
Cheers.
Ready? Cheers. Oh, I'm going to kill you. Okay, here we go. Oh, my God.
It's pumpkin pie.
It's pumpkin pie.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. It's pumpkin pie. That's hummus, huh? Chickpeas in there?
Chickpeas, maple syrup, pumpkin pie flavor.
Wow.
What else did I put in there? A little bit of oil. Oh, man alive.
Very good. Those chips are dynamite.
Well, they're the crust,
Yeah.
you know.
They taste like crust.
Oh, I'm telling you what, people.
This is excellent.
This is dessert.
Homeric.
Yeah.
Wow.
This would be something like if you have a spread, you know, for Thanksgiving Day or you're having a party or something, and you just want to put some snacks out. Oh, this is like totally the bomb. It is.
Wow.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. Oh my God, it's good. Okay. The recipes will be down below because you don't want to miss this one.
Yep.
Director.
Too enthusiastic.
Oh
Thumbs
man,
up.
I'll tell you what. The minute you put it in your mouth, you say
Pumpkin pie.
pumpkin pie. Really good. But it's not like it's a desserty kind of thing. Like I said, party.
Yeah.
Like,
So it's pumpkin pie.
yeah, but I mean, oh, it's excellent. Okay, everybody, excellent recipe. Thanks a lot for viewing. Tell your friends, subscribe, thumbs up, place a comment if you like, and we'll be back soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.